Hello everyone. As we progress through the course, it's going to be essential to keep up with your learning through these weekly quizzes. And these quizzes are going to be designed to reinforce the key concepts that are going to be covered each week and also help you track your understanding. And I will explain to you in this presentation where you will find them and when they are due. First, how to locate the weekly quizzes. There are several ways to get there, and I will go through all the ways that you can get to the weekly quizzes. The first thing in Canvas is that you're going to click, for example, on modules, like it says right over here. And when you click on modules, it will take you to this page. Within modules, as you can see, there are several modules numbered over here. The first one, of course, is what we call Module 1. And inside of Module 1, you're going to see listed right over here, Module 1 Weekly Quiz. And it will contain all the module learning objectives of this specific module. So for example, Module 1 will have 7 learning objectives. So the quiz will be made up of questions that are related to each learning objective, and this will help you reinforce the concepts. Another way for you to get to the weekly quizzes is again through modules, but you click now on Module 1 Overview. Once you click on this, it will open the Module 1 Overview page, and this is what you will see initially. But if you scroll down, you can see right over here the tab for Module 1 Weekly Quiz, and again, it will contain the learning objectives from 1 through 7. Once you click on that, it will open the quiz. Of course, now this is just an example, so the dates are different and the quiz is not available at this time. But for you, it will be available and you will be able to start the quiz. Another way for you to get to the weekly quizzes is by clicking on the quiz tab now instead of the module tab, and you will see right over here under assignment quizzes. So this is where it will be listed. And if you open the assignment quizzes, you will see down over here the Module 1 weekly quiz, which is the same quiz that I've been talking about since the beginning of this presentation. I am just showing you different ways to get to this quiz. And the last way for you to get to the quizzes is by clicking on assignments. If you notice over here, there are 2 tabs. There's an upcoming assignment and a past assignment. Now, because I did not change the dates for this weekly quiz number 1, then it is listed down here on past assignments. However, if the quiz would still be available, it will be listed right over here on upcoming assignments. Therefore, as you can see, there are several ways to get to the weekly quizzes. Now, the weekly quizzes, they will always open on a Monday and they will close on the following Thursday. This means that you have 10 days to submit the weekly quizzes. They do not stay open past the due date. This means that there is no daily penalty that you can do later on. So make sure to place a calendar reminder on your phone that every Thursday you will have a weekly quiz that is due. And the weekly quizzes, they're going to be worth 20% of your final course grade. So it is important that you place these calendar reminders so that you don't miss these weekly quizzes. Now, if you still have any questions about weekly quizzes, please don't hesitate to reach out.